Today guys, I show you how to speed up Windows 10 and Windows 11, fix slow PC and improve performance. Okay guys, first you need to do, just press Windows button like me and type PC and go right click and you will see here properties. Open it and move here right, you will see advanced system settings. Click this and you will see this blue here settings, performance, open it and you will see here visual effects. To optimize your PC, Windows 10 or Windows 11, the process is same, just do here like me, adjust for best performance. Click this, go here apply and go OK. After that you will see your PC is much faster right now, but we move next. Close this, press Windows button and type like me system configuration. Open this, you will see here boot, click on it, move here to advanced options and you will see here number of processors. Check this and choose your maximum, just like me, I have 8. Choose, go OK, hit apply and OK. Restart your PC. After restarting your PC, press Windows button and type like me settings. Open it and move here first in personalization and move here down to colors and you will see here transparency effects. If you have this on, switch this off. Move back and move here now to gaming. Open it. If you have this game bar on, just switch this off. And also move here to game mode. Make sure you turn this on. Move back to home. Click here system. Move here to notification and actions. If you have this on like me, just switch this off. Because notification just slow down your PC. After that, close this. Press Windows button and type like me graphic settings. Open graphics settings. If you have this off, turn this on and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, just open Task Manager, go on Taskbar, right click and you will see Task Manager. Open it and move here to Start Up like me, click on it and you will see all apps that you start up when you turn on your PC. Just find apps that you don't need, click on it and you will see here Disable and do this for all. After you do this all like me, you will see here Disable it and move here to Performance and you will see your PC is so fast. And that's it all guys for this video, how to speed up Windows 10 and Windows 11, fix slow PC and improve performance. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.